guys, it's Silver Gaming here, coming back with another video or episode or whatever you want to call it. And I know I haven't been posting a lot, so I'm gonna make it up, guys. And today, or in the 2 days, today and tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing like a marathon, whatever it's called. So we're gonna play some, what is this game called? I don't know. I think Bloons Monkey City. That's what I think. So I'm gonna try to save this captain, and if we don't, I'm gonna scream. Let's start off with this here, this here, this here. I have no more. I guess this here. Come on. No, yellows. I mean pinks. Let's just add a dark monkey right there. Ooh, that was the round that I couldn't pass. And we passed it. Wait, we need to battle against the ZOMG. OMG. Just get that. One there. Give one there. Come on, up through this. I know there's gonna be a rush coming right about on round 4. Now. Oh, we survived. Boom, shakalaka. No! This is too hard. How should I do this? What about... What about that? Wrong spot. No! I don't have enough. Oh my god. Life. Oh, this is bull. We're screwed. If we can make it past round 5 or 4, we'll be happy. The rush should be right after this, which is right now. 3, 2, 1, rush. Can't. It's too hard. About this right there, and put it up to this. I only have one. That's bad. I'm screwed. See, I'm screwed. Boom, boom, boom. Oh! How? Quickly place this there. This, like that. Come on. I know we could make it past. This is too hard. What the heck? What is wrong with this game? I know I like it, but what the heck is wrong? Give up. I give up. Just why? One remaining. Oh, yeah. This, yeah.
When creating a new
Why?
oven-ready
No,
recipe,
I don't want this. I don't want
lose
pizza.
myself in the details of foods
I'm stuffed.
and reimagine them through the eyes of California. And when I get it right, I can't wait to get back in that kitchen.
California pizza. This is bull. Connecting to server. Wait, I said okay. Do you know what okay means? I don't want your money. Ugh. I don't know what to do. Upgrade bank? No. Why can't I do? Maybe I could upgrade this guy. Let's try this. Unclaimed event. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. I'm started. Let's go. Drop clicking. Alright, we're gonna drop this speed 13 or higher. Alright. Let's start with this. Now they're getting faster. Yeah, that's right, on the time now. Let's go. No! I'm gonna tell. Alright, we need 30 more kills. Or pops. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Maybe I could add a attack shooter. That will help. What? It's getting kills. I mean, pops. We're on 7 out of Route 13. 51 lives and 2 balloon stones to win. So let's go. Come on. All ready? Let's go. We're gonna make it to round 13 earlier. Yeah, that's right. Let's go. Or not. Oh, what about we place it over? Right over here. Yeah. Oh, look at that popping power. Pop those balls. Alright, now we are gonna add one over. Try to save up. Target last, close, strong, first. Okay. Let's try to save up for the super monkey. I know that will be crazy. We're dead. Nah. Oh my god. Spy. I want to spy on this guy. Now that's a base. Wow. He must have been playing a lot. Wow. Go away, car. You're not in this film. Let's spy on this guy. Matthew. Oh, there we go. Gosh. Wow. It's just like, wow. Steady. He's been offline for a while. I might actually do a new account of Bloons TD battles. I have this. Nope, sorry. So I think we're gonna wrap it up there, guys. We did nothing, which sucks. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Like, you don't need to. I'll just cry. Yeah. So see you guys later. Bye.